Hello, I'm Funny. I graduated from University of Wisconsin and Milwaukee this spring semester. I uh, I studied computer science as my major, and I've also done a business minor. Uh, I started my 11th and 12th or intermediate in Fiji, and that's when I met Venkat sir, and he and then started the process of trying to go abroad for a bachelor's degree. And he helped me through pretty much everything from SAT preparations, IELTS preparations, and applications to universities, essays, uh, every pretty much like everything. My major idea around going abroad to get a bachelor's degree or to get any sort of higher education was you get more exposure when you go outside the country or outside the place you're generally used to. You get to meet new people, learn new things, like so many things out of culture that you're not familiar with before, and I think that sort of opens up a lot of possibilities in the long run. It's helped me with the applications through the universities and how to write a proper essay for your application. And even he helped me with my visa interview preparations and what kind of questions they would be asking, what all documents I would be needing, and whatever everything I should be knowing before going to that interview. And pretty much everything the interviewer asked was what Venkat sir prepped me for. So I was pretty much like set. Yes, there are like actually there are a lot of things I didn't know. Like how you actually do a college application. Apparently there's more than one step, which I
Yeah.
hadn't known before. You need to start the application, blah blah blah, your essays, you need to get your SAT scores for them, you need to get your IELTS scores for them, and you need to pick a major and you need to pick a proper university to apply to. And that's the so I think that's a biggest challenge of it all coming up with a proper strategy, like
Mhm.
your game plan to know which universities you should be applying to.
Mhm.
I think that's a thing that is not a one solution fit all thing. I think it should be. It was honestly it was tailored for me. My preferences and universities I'd be fit for. It's probably not the ones my friend was fit for. So that's the thing that helped me the most. Like, it helped me with the most to come up with the universities that better suit me. And now I picked University of Wisconsin, Milwaukee, and now I did all I did 3 years of my bachelor's, and my final year I was even able to get into research, get into some research. In my senior year, I worked as a undergraduate research assistant in NLP. It's natural language processing. It's a subset of AI, so which was really cool. I never thought that I would be working in research. uh, but yeah, there were so many things that he helped me with interview preparations for visas and like pretty much like everything.
For you.
Honestly, I think yeah, I would say it's a mentor, and it was there when I needed it the most. It's not that I would need it every single day. But when I did need them, they were right there. I could always rely. It was always reliable. I mean, I hadn't any when I applied to University of Wisconsin Milwaukee, they did not have any
Okay.
scholarships of any sorts for international students.
Mm.
But they do now. So if anybody out there is applying to
Mm.
WM Milwaukee, there are scholarships that they started doing after a couple of years, I think a year or two after I started. So
Mm.
now there are options that you can apply for, but back when I applied for, there weren't any. Well, from what I've heard from my friends, I did talk to them before. So apparently I was, I mean, I don't want to badmouth many people, but I was told that most of the people were kept under like they were underinformed about the decisions or things being happening for them, which I think is a major red flag, honestly. But from what I've done, what I've got from agent was always I know what's going on. I was always up to date. Okay, how has my application gone through, and is did I get it? Did I not get it, or is it's still in the review? And once I got in, what do I need to do? Like, do I need to reach out to the residency halls, make living arrangements, or do I need to start setting up like meetings with my advisor, academic advisors, to start taking classes? All these things were kind of helped. Like I got advice from Aaigen. I don't think any other consultancies, I've never seen